Thanks for opening me. And now we come along in Unit 55. And we come along to the next thing. It's an awesome boss grab. This is grab. Oh, this is the annoying leaf you can never see in the world. This is your medal. So let's go up to the top floor. I earned this starving previously. Previously I grounded this year. I grounded him. Now they starving. So here an enters in the lift and gets grounded now. This is the multi-case where I have waiting a lot for filming the previously lift. Here's the 7 medal. This is so crappy. So only 2 doors. So there's an OSS very stupid in this building. Wow, this lift is so crazy. Looking out this fist lift, no it's anything. This year no one's in the list were grounded. BFC's Weather Star 4000 videos grounded series. Zero Mario on Uso, the father of more. Weather Star 4000 video basically was anything I wanted to get and do. Doing the grounded series of Princess Peach and Princess Daisy. Oh, so Daisy's no was very stupid. Weather Star 4000 video. So I cannot believe where Princess Peach and Princess Daisy gets grounded. Colin.